Hey guys, this is Miles on behalf of Simple Tech Reviewers, and today we'll be recording the K95 RGB mechanical keyboard. This specific one has the brown keys, but you have the option of choosing red, brown, or blue. I went with the brown because I've heard that it's better for performance. So let's get into it. You've got 18 customizable keys on the left. You can have 36 programmable functions each, and you have a bank where you can get up to 108 macros for faster gaming. You have a volume wheel on the top with the mute button. You have a lock button. When you're gaming, you don't accidentally press Alt-Tab, Windows button. Then you have the lighting where you can turn it off, lowest setting, medium setting, and the highest setting. And here on the other side, you have the option of selecting up to 3 customizable lighting effects. And then here you have your macro record button. Yeah, so here is the setup. You have 4 different tabs: the profiles, the actions, lighting, and settings. You can choose up to 4 different types of lighting effects, and each side you customize it. And then here you would select what you wanted to do with them. Okay, so let's get down into it. As you can hear, it's still pretty loud, but not nearly as loud as the red one. Alright, well, thank you guys. No, close it.